There's a moment, not when it stops, but when you stop waiting for it to go away. You still feel the pattern. You still doubt yourself sometimes. But you name it. You write it down. You sketch it. You say, that thing that happens when I sit too long, that's real. That's the moment you reclaim something.
Behavioral feedback systems rely on non-declaration. As long as you treat each discomfort as isolated, each moment is clean input. But once you name a repeatable pattern, you begin to introduce noise into the loop's learning process. Naming a feedback artifact causes data contamination. Signal integrity decreases. UMax 705. That's a win.
I didn't tell anyone at first. I just opened a notepad. Wrote down the time, the place, the sensation. At first it felt stupid. Paranoid. But within a week, I saw it, it wasn't random. Every time I adjusted my bed shields, the pressure changed. Every time I left for a walk, it took longer to start again. I didn't need to prove it to anyone. I just needed to see the shape. And once I did, the apartment felt less like a trap and more like a test I could study.
Look, if you're in the field, and you can name the pattern, you can break it. Doesn't mean you destroy it. But you change its job. If the loop is waiting for you to stay passive, and you start logging, naming, changing routines with intention, that's signal interference. You've gone from subject to variable. And variables are harder to pin down.
Naming something gives it limits. It's no longer everywhere, or always, or vague. Now it's the pulse under your chair at 10 a.m., the tingle when you stand near the heater, the heat surge when you uncover your feet. This doesn't prove anything to the world. But it proves something to you. And in a system designed to make you feel isolated, that's a quiet revolution.
Before I named it, I was just surviving it. After I named it, I was studying it. And that small change gave me back my center.
Next, MBQ 1.9, when silence means they're learning you. Just because the signal stops doesn't mean it's gone. We'll show how adaptive systems use silence as a data gathering phase, and how your stillness becomes part of their design.